Hi, my name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to make registration marks in Photoshop. So I have my image here, and I'm actually going to go to View. I'm going to go to Show, and select Grid. And the reason I'm doing that is so that I know where exactly on this page my image sits. So you see my image. The idea behind registration marks is to get the idea of where you're going to crop an image when you've printed it. So I'm going to make, and it's really simple to make. All you need to do is use the line tool. And the line tool is it's in the shape, it's with the shape tool. So when you select the rectangle tool, hold it down and go down below the polygon tool to the line tool. And then select black, preferably, so that when you print it, it's very visible. And then you start off by making a line like this, and then one down like this, kind of like in a crux shape. So this actually has defined itself as one shape, which is really, really good. So then you're gonna right click, and you're gonna go to rasterize layer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to count how many squares away from my shape or object the crux is. So let's see, it's 1 away and 2 up. So then I'm going to just hold down Option and click and drag it. So it's 1 away and 2 up. You can do the same thing, and then actually what you're going to want to do is go to your marquee tool right below your selection tool or your move tool, and then you're going to right click and you're going to select free transform, and then you're just going to hold shift and turn it all the way around. And then you're going to go 2 up, 1 over, and then you can get rid of your grid by going to View, Show, and Grid once again. And there you'll have your crop marks. My name is Alex, and this is how you make registration marks in Photoshop. Thank you.